Hi, sometimes you have a data in different sheets and you want to summarize in one pivot table. How can you do that? In today's video, I will tell you how can you create pivot table across multiple sheets. Before I start my video further, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my all future videos notification. I have data in three multiple sheets and I have renamed according to locations UK, USA and France. And in each datasheet, there are multiple columns for location, position, and their salaries January, February, and March. Now I want to create one pivot table across these sheets. To create the pivot table, I will use pivot table wizard with the short key Alt D P. You can see a pivot table wizard is open. Here you can find different options: Microsoft Excel list or database, external data source, multiple consolidation range. We select this option and then click next. The next is create a single page field for me, or second option I will create the page fields. I will choose the second option and click next. Then a small dialog box will appear in front of you. Here I will select the range from B4 to E17 and click add. I will ignore the column A because this is identifier and it will use as a filter. Now I will move to the next sheet and select the range again. Click add. Now move to the third sheet and again select the range and click add. Now I will go to the second option. How many page field do you want? 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 4. Here you can select field as per your requirement. For example, I want one field, so I will select one and field 1 is enabled. So if you want two fields, click on 2, field 2 will enable. Similarly, you can choose 3 and 4 as per your requirement, then field 3 and 4 will also enable. So I will go back to the 1 because I need one field, and here you can see field 1 is enabled. Here I want to identify this sheet which is related to France, so I will mention here France. Then I will select this sheet which is related UK. I will write it here UK. Then I will select this sheet which is related USA. So I will here write it USA and click on next. After click on next, you have a third step. Where do you want to put the pivot table report? You have two options: new worksheet or existing worksheet. So I will go to the first option, new worksheet, and click finish. Now I have pivot table based on multiple sheets and my all data consolidated in one pivot table. These are the positions which are same in every sheet, but you can see the consolidated salaries for the month of January, February and March. For the three locations UK, USA and France. But if you want to see location wise salaries, go to the filter and here you can select any location, for example France, and click OK. Now you can see the salaries only for France. But if you want to change the location, again go to the filter, click USA and click OK. Now you can see the salaries only for USA. So if I want to consolidate it again, I will go to the filter again and click all and click OK. Now I get my all salaries again consolidated. So if you want to combine all these three sheets, just double click on this total and you can find your master data in new sheet. Here you can see your all position with all months and all salaries together. Here you can find by default column names like row, column, value and page, which you can change as per your requirement. So here I can change position, months, salaries and location. So this is your master data file and here your consolidated pivot table. Hopefully you like my video, so don't forget to leave your comments. Thank you so much.